Hi guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. This video is about crash course which we have launched for Hotel Management JEE 2019. So as of now, many students appearing for their 12th board exam which is about to finish very soon, and 12th का pressure धीरे धीरे कम हो रहा है and JEE का pressure going up. So to all the aspirant, I have one small advice. अभी 12th के board पे ध्यान दे लो, then we'll focus on our JEE preparation. So agenda of this crash course is nothing but to score 150 marks out of 200. So your mission should be 150 target out of 200. Okay, so this is what the batch details, and this is the proper classroom batch which will be Mumbai based, and batches are starting from 18th of March. If you wanted to join Mumbai BORIVALI center, you can call on this number and you can take the enrollment. For Mumbai DADAR center, you can call on this number and take the enrollment. So take your enrollment guys, and the moment you visit and take the enrollment, take your scholarship card and timetable too for the crash course. So about the timetable and scholarship card, I'll tell you later on. First of all, let me thanks to all the aspirants who are joining us for this crash course from Navi Mumbai, Thane, Pune, Nashik, Jalgaon, Aurangabad, Sangli, Bhiwandi, Panvel, Nagpur, and also the people are joining from other states like Gujarat. People are joining from Surat, Vapi, Vadodara, Ahmedabad. Thanks for showing this trust guys, and we will be definitely mentoring you and guiding you for the JEE 2019 preparation. You just have to work upon the assignment which we will be giving you, and definitely you will be scoring 150 out of 200. If anyone is saying that it is not possible, it is impossible to crack JEE exam in 30 to 40 days. So guys, let me tell you, impossible का मतलब ही होता है I am possible. It is very important कि आप आपकी coaching कहाँ से ले रहे हो for JEE के लिए, who is mentoring you, and also does the coaching class have proper planning for the next 30 days. This is very important. That's why at Manoeuvre we never start the preparation without the planning. If you have a right planning, so performance अपने आप होगा. So this is what the stepwise preparation we do at Manoeuvre. Step 1 में क्या करना है, आपको सारे वीडियो लेक्चर डैशबोर्ड से देख के आने हैं आपको before you come for the classroom lecture. So classroom lecture is the step 2. So once you watch your videos, you will done with your basic, and classroom में आपको अच्छे से समझेगा टॉपिक के बारे में, and then you go home and follow the step 3 which is the practicing from the books. आपके हर टॉपिक में 50 questions है, so you have to practice 50 questions from that particular topic, and then you have to write topic wise test. इस साल आपका JEE का एग्जाम ऑनलाइन है, so topic wise test की प्रैक्टिस ऑनलाइन ही करनी है आपको. The benefit of writing the topic wise test, you will understand वो टॉपिक कितना आता है आपको और कितना प्रिपेयर करना है वो टॉपिक. And also since the topic wise test and all the tests are online, so it will give you the time pressure, and also you will get familiar with the interface for the online test. This is what the step 4. Step 5 is about the extra mile preparation for the topic which have a high weightage, which will be the live webinar. You will be sitting at home and attending the live lecture. So at Manoeuvre we go step by step preparation. This is very helpful for all our students who have already joined us and preparing so well. Apart from these guys, आपका भी dedication होना बहुत जरूरी है, because if you will be not giving your input, so we can't help you at all. We will be guiding you in all the matter, whatever doubts, query you will be coming up. But at the end, you are the one who will be writing the exam. Make the note of this guys. And if you are converting top IHM colleges more than you, we will be happy guys, trust me. Okay, so if you are dreaming for any of these IHM, whether IHM Delhi Pusa 1 284 seats, IHM Mumbai 387 and so on, so whichever IHM you are targeting, ये आपके दिमाग में डाल लो कि एक सीट आपकी है उस IHM में, whichever IHM you are targeting. So these are the list of the IHM guys. Please make the note of this and number of seats as well. Okay, so this is what the timetable for the crash course guys. Please pause the video and jot down this detail. This is the timetable for first 10 days. Further timetable you will be getting after the lecture gets started. So the moment you go for the enrollment, whether you are coming for the Mumbai Borivali center or Dadar center, so kindly collect your timetable from the counselor. So here you can see you have to do the pre-work, watch video lecture from dashboard, and then come for the classroom lecture. Likewise for all the days it is given. Okay, so please make the note of this. Okay, so this is what about the timetable as I said earlier. And next is the scholarship card. If you are converting IHM Delhi or Mumbai, so whatever fees you will be paying at the time of your enrollment, 50% you will be getting back guys. I repeat, 50% money you will get back, which means you can pay back 50% of your coaching fees to your parents who have invested their hard-earned money for your coaching. सो आपके कोचिंग में जो भी फीस आप पे करोगे, अगर आप IHM दिल्ली कन्वर्ट करते हो या IHM मुंबई, 50% आपको उसका बैक हो जाएगा. Also guys, if you are converting IHM more than you, your parents will be happy. And this is what the sort of a motivation you can say which is from the Manoeuvre. So this is what the golden chance for all the aspirants to show their parents and relatives about your caliber. So this year we are targeting 100 plus students should get into the top IHM colleges from Manoeuvre itself. Remember guys, a goal without a plan is just a wish. If you are dreaming for the IHM colleges और आपकी प्लानिंग और प्रिपरेशन ही नहीं है, so how can you achieve your goal? So planning is very very important. So if you are dreaming for the IHM colleges, plan your preparation and start working on it guys for next 30 to 40 days. That's it. Alright, so if you want to join us for Mumbai Borivali Center for crash course, you can call on 9076 424208. For Mumbai DADAR Center, you can call on 730436682. If you are not near to the Mumbai or Maharashtra, so you can go for the online program. Just check out manoeuvre.com website. Please do hit the subscribe button guys if you want to see more video about the hotel management JEE. And if you like this video, hit on the like button. Do share this video to all your friends through WhatsApp and Facebook, those who are planning to appear for hotel management JEE, so that they should also be benefited and they can join this crash course. All the best for your JEE 2019 guys. Thank you.